Okay, I want to take a few minutes to go over something I went over in class last week, but I know some of you were science testing, so excuse me. I'm going to send this out to everyone so they can see it. One of the problems that I've been noticing and I've been encountering as some students wanted me to take a look at their videos and see how they're progressing was the fact that they were not finalized or rendered, as we like to call it. To do that, it's a very simple process. What you want to do is open up your project, and I have a sample project here that I have, so I can show you this as an example. So here's my my project, and you can tell it's a project because it ends with the letters WLMP, which stand for Windows Live Movie Project. A finalized video is going to be an MP4 or a WNV, depending on how you save it. So for this one, we're going to open up our project. So here's my oral history project, and all my pictures and audio and captions are all here. So I'm going to say I'm ready to finalize my video. I'm done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the top corner and click on Save Movie. Now, there are other options up here, so if you want to save to Vimeo or YouTube, you can try that if you want to attempt that. But I'm just going to do it the long way, which I'm just basically going to save my movie. And then you get a drop-down list where you can select the type of file that you want to create. We want to do it for computer for presentation purposes in the classroom. So we're going to select for computer. And then a window pops up, and you'll notice that it automatically is going to detect that they're going to create an MP4 for you. So in this case, we're going to change the file name to the title of our project. So in this case, it's Martin Luther King. Okay, so I've titled my project, and I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save it in. And at this point, when you're finalizing your video, you don't need to save it in the same folder as everything else. Now, I do recommend you doing that. That way you know it's there. So that's what I'm going to do in this case. But once you're saving it as a movie, it's not necessary to have all the pictures and audio as you are working on it with the project piece. Okay, so here's where I'm going to save it. I'm going to click Save. And this will save relatively quickly because it's a very, very short sample video. Yours may take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, I'm guessing. So just let it do what it needs to do. And then it will prompt you that your video is done. And you can either play it to watch it to see how it looks, or you can open the folder. And there you'll see our video is now completed. And if I click on it, here's your video. Then you can take that file and then upload it to Vimeo or YouTube, whichever you choose. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.